Here is a very interesting thinking problem on vector applications. So we are dealing with velocity at present. Barbara can swim at 4 kilometers per hour in still water. She wishes to swim across a river to a point directly opposite from her. The river is moving at a rate of 5 kilometers an hour. Explain with the use of diagram why this is not possible. Well, that's interesting. So try doing this question and then look into my suggestion, right? So it's kind of like this. So here we have a river flowing. So I like to always show river flowing downwards like this, right? So that is the flow of the river. Now what's happening here is that Barbara can swim at 4 kilometers an hour in still water, and she wishes to swim across the river to a point directly opposite from her. That means, let's say this is where the Barbara is and she wants to go there. So that becomes the resultant, right? And this is the net result. She wants to start from here, let's say Barbara B, and she wants to land here. And let's say this is point C. Now what is given to us is that the river is moving at the rate of 5 kilometers an hour and Barbara can swim at 4 kilometers an hour. So that is the scenario. That means, well, if she starts from here and wants to reach directly across, then it means that she has to go something like this in this direction, right? That's the direction which she needs to take, since the river will bring her down, right? So the river will bring her down like this. Is that okay? Then ultimately she will reach right across. So she has to start at an angle theta. So you can figure out what this angle is, which will make her possible to reach from B to C, which is directly across, right? So where is that point A? In which direction should Barbara head so that she reaches C? So that is what you need to figure out. Now the question says, explain with the use of diagram why this is not possible. Why is it not possible? So that is the question. So think about it and then answer. This is very interesting. Can it be so? Or can you find an angle which can say, well, this is possible? Well, we have kind of another solution into this. That is, if we make a vector diagram for velocity, then BA represents velocity of Barbara, which is 4 kilometers an hour. So let me just write unit 4 here. Correct? And river is moving at a rate of 5 kilometers an hour. So let's say in 1 hour, Barbara will go 4 units in this direction and river is going to bring down her by 5 units, right? So this is 5 kilometers, right? Now, what should the angle be so that Barbara can head somewhere here and reach there? The answer is, it is not possible. Why do you think it is not possible? Well, the reason is, as you can see, this is a right triangle. Barbara wants to go somewhere, head towards this side and land up there. Then we can make a right triangle. Now in this triangle, you see, hypotenuse should be longer than both the sides. But since Barbara's speed is just 4, which is not even more than 5, so this triangle is not possible. Do you see that? So the reason is that her swimming speed is not enough to overcome the speed of the river, right? If she goes 4 units, she will be down 5 units. So effectively, she is not going to ever go right across. She will land far down, right? So that is what the situation is, and that is how you can explain this situation. So in short, whenever you make a triangle, if the hypotenuse is not longer than both the sides, then that right triangle is not possible, right? Therefore, in this situation, it is not possible for Barbara to swim right across when her speed is 4 kilometers an hour, whereas the river is flowing at the rate of 5 kilometers an hour. I hope you understand, right? So that is a thinking and communication question. I hope you appreciate it. Thanks and all the best.